Assalamu alaikum. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of calcium with our latest video, Calcium, From Bones to Stones. We'll explore everything you need to know about this essential element. So, let's jump right in. What is calcium? Calcium is a chemical element with the symbol Ca and atomic number 20. It is a soft, silvery white alkaline earth metal and is the fifth most abundant element in the Earth's crust. In its pure form, calcium is highly reactive and quickly forms a dull, gray-white coating of calcium oxide when exposed to air. In living organisms, calcium is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in various biological processes. Calcium's importance in our bodies. Bone structure. Bones are composed of a matrix of collagen fibers and hydroxyapatite crystals, a mineral made of calcium and phosphate. Collagen is a protein that provides flexibility and resilience, while hydroxyapatite gives bones their rigidity and hardness. Calcium, as a component of hydroxyapatite, is essential for maintaining the strength and integrity of the bone structure. Throughout life, bones undergo a continuous remodeling process, involving the resorption of old bone and the formation of new bone. Calcium is vital for this process, ensuring that bones maintain their density and strength. Teeth structure. Teeth are made up of several layers, including enamel, dentin, cementum, and pulp. The enamel is the outermost layer, which is composed of tightly packed hydroxyapatite crystals, making it the hardest substance in the human body. Calcium, as a major component of hydroxyapatite, provides strength and durability to the tooth enamel, protecting teeth from wear and damage. Dentin, the layer beneath the enamel, also contains hydroxyapatite, albeit in a lesser concentration, and is crucial for maintaining the overall structure of the tooth. Muscle function and calcium. Calcium is very important for how our muscles work, especially for tightening and loosening them. When our nerves send signals, calcium is released from a special part inside muscle cells. This calcium then attaches to a protein called troponin, which makes another protein, tropomyosin, move out of the way. With tropomyosin moved, two other proteins, actin and myosin, can work together to make our muscles tighten. This tightening process needs energy from our cells, called ATP. To loosen our muscles, calcium is moved back into its storage area, which causes the proteins to go back to their starting positions. This stops actin and myosin from working together, so the muscle relaxes. Calcium's big role in our muscles shows that we need the right amount of calcium to keep our muscles healthy and working well. Nerve function and calcium. Calcium is important for the proper working of our nerves. Nerves help our brain send messages to different parts of our body. When a nerve gets a signal from the brain, calcium helps in passing that message along. Calcium is involved in releasing chemicals called neurotransmitters, which are like little messengers. These neurotransmitters help nerve cells talk to each other and allow the signal to continue on its way. So, having the right amount of calcium is essential for our nerves to function well and keep our body's communication system working smoothly. Blood clotting and calcium. Calcium plays a key role in blood clotting, which is an important process that helps stop bleeding when we get injured. When a blood vessel is damaged, our body starts a series of reactions to form a clot, a kind of plug that seals the wound. Calcium helps activate different proteins that work together to build the clot. These proteins form a net-like structure that traps blood cells, creating a solid barrier that stops blood from flowing out of the wound. In this way, calcium helps our body heal injuries and prevent excessive blood loss, making it an essential part of maintaining our overall health. Calcium's role in enzyme activation. Calcium is important for helping certain enzymes work properly in our body. Enzymes are like little helpers that speed up chemical reactions and help our body perform various tasks. Some enzymes need calcium to do their job well. In these cases, calcium acts like a key that turns on the enzymes and helps them work more efficiently. This is called enzyme activation. By activating enzymes, calcium plays a vital role in keeping our body's processes running smoothly and maintaining our overall health. Cell signaling and calcium. Calcium is essential for a process called cell signaling, which is how cells in our body communicate with each other. When cells need to share information or respond to changes, they use chemical messages. Calcium is one of the messengers that help pass information from the outside of a cell to the inside. This helps cells understand what's happening around them and make decisions about what to do next, such as growing, dividing, or repairing themselves. Calcium's role in cell signaling is crucial for keeping our body's systems working together and maintaining our overall health. Pregnant woman and calcium. Calcium is especially important for pregnant women because it helps the baby grow strong bones and teeth. During pregnancy, the baby needs calcium to develop properly, and the mother's body works hard to provide enough calcium for both her needs and the baby's needs. If the mother doesn't get enough calcium from her diet, her body will take it from her own bones, which can weaken them. That's why it's essential for pregnant women to consume enough calcium through foods like dairy products, leafy greens, and fortified foods, or by taking calcium supplements if recommended by a doctor. Ensuring the right amount of calcium intake during pregnancy supports the healthy growth of the baby and helps maintain the mother's bone health as well. Potential issues with calcium imbalance. Having too little or too much calcium can lead to health problems. Calcium deficiency, or hypocalcemia, can result in weakened bones, muscle cramps, and abnormal heart rhythms. On the other hand, excessive calcium intake, or hypercalcemia, can cause kidney stones, constipation, and weakened bones. So, it's crucial to maintain a proper balance of calcium in your body. A diet rich in calcium. A diet rich in calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth, as well as supporting proper muscle, nerve, and enzyme function. Here are some calcium-rich foods to include in your diet. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. Opt for low-fat or non-fat versions to reduce saturated fat intake. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, bok choy, and collard greens are good sources of calcium, as well as other essential nutrients like vitamins A and K, iron, and fiber. Fish with soft bones. Canned sardines and salmon, with bones, provide a good amount of calcium. These fish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart and brain health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds are high in calcium, along with healthy fats and protein. Fortified foods. Calcium-fortified orange juice, soy milk, almond milk, tofu, and breakfast cereals can help increase your daily calcium intake. Legumes. Beans and lentils, such as white beans and chickpeas, contain moderate amounts of calcium and are also rich in protein and fiber. Calcium-set tofu. Tofu processed with calcium sulfate is an excellent source of calcium and a good alternative to dairy products for vegetarians and vegans. Dried fruits. Figs and apricots are good sources of calcium, as well as dietary fiber and other essential nutrients. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts you have on calcium. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.